Now, this is the most simplest way to draw realistic eyebrows when drawing. For beginners, let's get started. So this is our artwork and we are going to use our short brush. We are going to use our short brush for these tutorials and a charcoal powder. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is we are going to dip our short brush into our powder. Okay, and we are going to use it to create the first layer, okay, to serve as our background. Do you understand? We are going to create. So in the process of creating these layers, we are going to make sure we do it according to the direction of the eyebrow. Do you understand? We are going to dip it into the powder and use it on the eyebrow gradually as our first layer. We are going to use to create our first layer. It is very simple. Okay, so watch how I'm doing it. Just dip it into the powder and just use it on the eyebrow. And when you are doing it, make sure you do it according to the direction of the eyebrow. Okay, according to the direction of the eyebrow. Good. This is a very simple method that you can use. Okay, this is a very simple method that you can use. Yes. Good. So the next thing we are going to do is to use our charcoal pencil. Okay, our charcoal pencil. Make sure the tip is pointed enough, so that it will create that realistic hair vibe. Do you understand? So use your charcoal pencil to create the hair on it. The same way when you are doing it, make sure you do it according to the direction of the hair. Okay, the hair is lying down. Okay, you look at a reference how it's going, then you use it like that. The same process. Do you understand? Yes. So we are doing it according to the direction of the hair. Gradually, I'm going to do it gradually. Yes. Good. Yes. So what I'm doing, I'm deliberately leaving some spaces in between. Do you understand? I'm deliberately leaving some spaces between because I'm going to use my eraser, my Tombow eraser to bring out some highlight there. Do you understand? So let's blend it. So the third step is to blend it. Okay, is to blend it. Now let's use our Tombow eraser. Okay, let's use our Tombow eraser, which is the last step to create the highlights. Okay, we use it to create the highlights in the hair. Every eyebrow has a highlight. Okay, that's what make it real. Any eyebrow you see or any picture you see, they have some little bit of highlights in it. You need to understand that. So let's fix in the highlights. Good. You see, it's very simple. Do you remember the process? The first process is to lay down your first layer, create your first background. Do you understand? After creating your background, you use your charcoal pencil. Use your charcoal pencil to do what? To create some lines, the hair. Create the hair. So after doing that, you blend it. After blending, you use your eraser to create. Do you understand? You see the process? So after I'm done using the eraser, then I'll come back again to add the final highlight, the final darkness to it. Do you understand? Now let's clean the background to make it pop up. Okay. This process is very simple. I know beginners be struggling doing this kind of things. That's why I'm giving the tips. Okay, so let's move on to do the final eyebrow. The same process. Okay, we're using the same process. As you can see, I'm laying down my first background. Okay, I'm laying down my background. Good. This is very simple, as you can think. That you think. Good. Make sure you do it according to the direction of the hair. Okay, don't do it opposite. Make sure you do it according to the direction of the hair. Now let's use our charcoal pencil. Remember, the tip should be pointed, okay, to create the hair. When you are doing it, make sure you do it according to the direction, okay, the direction of the hair. So I'm gradually doing it. Once again, when you are doing it, you make sure you deliberately leave some spaces in between, okay, because remember, we are going to use our eraser, Tombow eraser, to create some highlights in the hair. So when you are doing it, it shouldn't be too compactable. You leave spaces between them, okay. It's deliberate thing we are doing. Good. So let's blend it. Good. You see the way I'm using the Tombow eraser, okay? See the way I'm using it. Yes, this is one of the reasons why I made this this tutorial real time. Okay, I want you to understand how the work is really done, not to speed it. Okay, see the way I'm using it. Yes, it create that vibe of hair, like light hair, dark hair, highlighting it, you know. Good. Let's blend it a bit, and let's come back again to do the final highlights. Good. Nice one. You see, the process is very simple. Okay, this process is actually very simple. I can think it's so simple. So this is our final result. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips in that. In our next video, we are going to draw the nose itself. Some simple process. I'm going to use some simple method to draw the nose. Make sure you stay tuned and turn on notification for the next video. Thank you.
Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.